I was walking my dog and I come around the corner and they were screaming because she's like, you need
Number
not to be
401
doing drugs here.
Yep.
was a report that you were outside and you were dealing drugs.
It wasn't. That's a lie.
Okay.
That's a lie.
Okay.
What are you guys insane? I didn't do anything. Go and get the cameras. I didn't sold no drugs. They're lying.
On May 28, 2023, a simple neighbor complaint turns into a full-blown confrontation. Residents report suspicious activity outside an apartment building, and when officers arrive, things don't go the way anyone expected. Officer Doopy starts by speaking with the neighbor, who claims she saw something alarming, a possible drug drop. That's enough to raise suspicion, especially since the woman in question, Jenny, is on probation.
Selling drugs outside the goddamn building here. We don't want it here. Yeah. We're not going to have it.
Yeah.
And, it was a plastic bag with white rock in it. Her aunt is in the hospital. She should not even be here.
Are you?
She doesn't live here.
Who are you?
I live next door. I deal with them fighting and arguing all night long.
Okay.
And I'm the one who called.
Oh, okay.
So
I
where's
said, I
this
don't
woman
care.
right now?
She's in apartment 110.
And she's visiting somebody in 110 in this room?
No, she's in the hospital. She's not here.
Oh,
Right.
And she shouldn't be here, that she's not here.
And why shouldn't she be here?
Because you're not supposed to be here. The homeowner isn't available. Well, that I'm going to take up with the office on Tuesday. So that's
kind of where we run into a little bit of a hiccup.
Right, that I'm going to do at the office.
Is the homeowner the aunt who's in the hospital?
Yes.
So, but we don't know if the aunt has given her permission to be in there.
Yeah, but she's been in there longer than you're supposed to have company. So.
Okay.
But that I'm going to take up with the office, but she's not going to be doing drugs out here.
No.
No, absolutely.
That's a total other issue.
Right.
That's what we're addressing right now.
Yeah.
That she's there.
Well, I can definitely
that's a whole nother
try
thing.
and have a conversation with her about that. As far as making her leave, I can't do that.
No, that'll be addressed. Actually, that'll be addressed on Tuesday when the management gets back, and I'll deal with that with
Okay.
them.
The apartment number she's in?
110.
110?
Yes. And I will.
All right. Perfect.
Yeah, the first one around the corner here.
Okay. Go ahead. Do you know her name at all?
No, I do not.
Who's the homeowner? Do you know who that is?
I think it's her daughter that is her mother that lives there. I guess.
Do you know the name?
Name?
Her mom's name is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi. Hi. I'm Officer Dupin with the police department.
Why are you pounding on the door like that?
I was trying to get your attention. I'd like to speak with you out
Get
here.
my attention more if you're standing in front of the door, so I can see who's at the door.
Oh, that makes sense.
Why would you sit there?
What's your name?
Jenny.
Jenny.
This is Jenny.
Jenny. Oh, your mom. Is it your mom that's in the hospital?
Yeah, no, she's not in the hospital.
Oh, she's not.
No, she's at the nursing home.
Okay.
But I just came here to clean today. Yeah, I haven't been here for a few days.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm going to visit her in a little bit here.
Gotcha.
Now, why?
How are you doing?
Fine.
Okay.
I'm doing fine.
Okay. Okay.
Even though I don't have a problem, but just went outside and was letting my friend in. He was going to go with me and see my mom, and some lady was talking to me. So I asked this lady her name, and she said
really?
she couldn't tell me because I don't live here.
Oh, okay.
But earlier I talked to this lady this morning when I was here, got here, and started cleaning because I'm cleaning carpet and stuff for my mom before she comes back.
Yeah.
And she had just asked me questions about her, but she was being really nice, but then she's being really rude tonight. You know, and it's just like, what?
Okay. Okay.
Jenny says she's just there to clean her mother's apartment while she's in the hospital. But there's a problem. Being on probation means less privacy, and officers have the legal right to search if they suspect a violation.
Yeah, so I said, well, I'm going to report that lady yelling and screaming at me for no reason.
Yeah, well, that's kind of why we're here to talk about that.
Yeah, that was what the issue was.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Other than that,
Who else is home?
No, this is my mom's home. Nobody else lives here but my mother.
Yeah, who else is here right now?
My friend Randall.
Oh, okay. Randall. Okay. Yeah, so what I'd like to kind of address, the reason I'm here is a couple of things. Sounds like management hasn't okayed it yet as far as you staying here long
I haven't
term.
been staying here long term.
Okay, well, I'm just telling you what I'm being told.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
aware of it.
Okay, so,
Mom's aware of it.
okay,
Yeah, we
yep.
got letter about it.
Oh, you did?
Yep, so she has an inspection on the 30th.
On the 30th?
Yeah, and I'm going to be here for that for her. She's
Okay.
not out by then.
Okay.
That's
And,
why I'm cleaning-
is
that's why I'm
Randall-
cleaning for her.
Oh, sure.
Because she had the carpet need to be cleaned. but then
Randall, is he living here too then with
She
you,
doesn't
or?
live here either.
Oh, just
I don't live here
visiting?
either. I don't live here either.
Okay.
I've already said that to you how many times now.
Well,
You're trying
there's
to
a
change
difference.
my thing.
No, there's a difference
I can
between.
be here. I can stay here once in a while. I'm on my mom's power of attorney.
There we go.
That's what. So the management does know this.
Okay, and I
She's
wasn't
aware of that.
aware, and
Oh
so.
yeah, so management is aware of it.
Okay.
And my mom, due to her going in the hospital, she was going to put me on the lease because of power of attorney,
Oh, okay.
so that we didn't have this issue.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So that was we were going to.
Any idea how long time frame
It was
of?
only supposed to be for a week or something, but.
Okay. Well, and that's
why I'm going to go there and find out today.
well, you can't today.
I can't what?
Well, you can't talk to management today.
No, my mom.
Oh, the mom.
To see
Okay.
how long she's going to be there.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah,
then
no, I know they're going to be
Oh.
here on Tuesday.
Yeah.
On the 30th,
Yeah.
I'll talk to them.
sounds
I'm
good.
aware of all that, yeah.
Okay. Which
On
hospital?
Tuesday and Thursdays, I know all about this. There's these other people that are
Nothing
talking.
negative on paper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Sounds good. All right.
We'll
So
be up here on July 20th.
on paper for what?
OWI and bail jumping possession of methamphetamine.
Oh, okay. So a 963 offense. So the other topic that I'd like to address with you today is the reason we were called here was a report that you were outside and you were dealing drugs.
It wasn't. That's a lie.
Okay.
That's a lie.
Okay.
I was outside, and Fred Stafford from room 303 was up out there in a cigarette, and I was talking to him.
Okay.
And Randall came walking up, and he was talking to me, and I said, let's go, we'll just go inside,
Okay.
because I'm not ready to go yet. He said, okay. And this lady screams in here about doing a drug deal, and I walked outside and said to her, are you talking to me? And Ben, short little Ben,
So you shouldn't have anything on you right now that's
I don't
illegal?
have anything on me.
Okay. Don't dig in your pockets. All right. Have you heard of Act 79?
No, I don't know.
Okay, so when you're on probation for an incident that's related to drugs, an Act 79 search allows an officer to search you anytime there's reasonable suspicion.
Your person,
Yep.
your apartment, your
not my
vehicle.
apartment.
It doesn't matter if it's yours. You're in it.
It's my mother's apartment.
It does not matter.
Yes, it does, because she's not here.
For an Act 79, it does not. So let him
Okay,
finish
so
his
I
thing.
need you, at this point,
What are you guys insane? I didn't do anything. Go and get the cameras. I didn't sold no drugs. They're lying.
I'm going to tell you
I'm telling
once
you
right
this.
now, I need you to listen to me,
Ridiculous.
okay? You are on
But this-
probation.
I understand, but this is
Okay.
ridiculous.
Okay, turn and face the wall. I'm going to...
Randall, I'm going to. I don't
Okay,
have
stop.
anything on me.
Okay.
Sir, stop.
Stop, or you're going to be
I
placed
have
in
a
a
cigarette in my
handcuffs.
hand. I don't have anything on me. This is ridiculous.
You're on probation,
I can
so
see
it's
this
not
is-
ridiculous.
Yeah, it is.
Why are you tensing your arm up?
You just want
Stay in the room, all right?
to...
We're just going to detain her for
I
right
didn't
now.
even do anything.
Stop it! Right now. She
I
can...
don't have anything on me, I said.
Stop.
I just
Stop.
I, you
Stop so I can
stop.
properly put on the handcuffs.
Oh my God,
Otherwise they're
yes.
going to hurt.
I'm telling you, I don't have anything.
That's fine. But you're being uncooperative.
No, I'm not. You guys are just pushing me around for no reason.
No,
That's
we're trying
fine.
to explain things to you, but you are refusing
I'm
to
not
listen.
refusing. I said you could search me, ma'am.
No, you-
Yes, I did.
Did she? I don't think
Yes, I did. I said I didn't have anything on me.
it's a little different than
Oh.
saying yes.
This picture's bathroom.
Okay, can you stop
Face the
moving?
wall. We're not here to screw around, all right?
Stop pushing on me. I'll be fine. Just tell me to
Stop
push me.
moving.
Push me up in here.
Yes, because you keep moving.
Deal drugs. I don't do drugs.
How long have you been clean?
For
How long have you been clean, Benny?
7 years.
Seven or
Yeah.
7?
7, I've been in treatment.
Okay.
I relapsed. Okay, so
You want me to switch with you? Where'd you get that pocket?
I'm not looking at it. Pretty.
I can switch with
I
you.
don't have anything on me. Oh my God. I don't have anything at all.
Hey,
Just for my keychain.
yeah, that's
It
fine.
broke.
Hey, it's fine. Are you sure it's only been 7 days? You're just the emotions just are up and down.
I suffer anxiety
Okay.
and depression. I don't
Okay.
want to keep them off.
Sure.
Sure.
Go ahead.
I mean,
You don't have anything in your bra, do you?
no, I just pretend I didn't do anything. No, I'm serious.
Yeah, that's fine. So under Act 79, if we have reasonable suspicion, we can search you,
That's fine.
and that is what we are doing. You're placed in handcuffs because of some of the behaviors,
Okay,
but
but that's because
you were not going to justify the behaviors. I'm just.
I'm being over by these people. I mean, they're.
Do you have other place to stay so that's not here so that you don't
I
encounter
haven't
that?
staying somewhere else. I just
Okay.
came here to clean today. Literally, I swear.
Where else are you staying?
At my girlfriend's
In where?
Superior.
All right. Do you have a way to get there?
My bike.
You have a bicycle here? Okay. How about Randall?
Randall has a bike that he uses, another one of mine.
Okay. Is he using today?
He said, no, he is not. I promise you, he is not. He doesn't use.
Okay.
He doesn't even use.
I had
Did you
them.
get a return on him at all?
No, they're going to look it up.
I lean up against the wall.
Sure. Thank you for calling.
I'm
I encourage you to get in touch with the management,
Oh, I am.
and they'll hopefully be able
They're
to.
fighting until 3 in the morning. And
Yeah, I hear it below me. I'm listening to
yeah,
music
he
on my
lives
headphones.
upstairs and I
Oh,
live
yeah.
next door.
And it's like I can hear the moving of my music. I shouldn't be able to hear that.
How long have they been because she denies staying there? How long have they been staying there?
Stephanie, what has it been, a month or more now?
Yep. Yeah, over a month.
Okay.
You can't shit. I can even have my headphones on and hear them coughing down there.
The lady that we escorted out, was that the one that you saw?
Yeah.
Did you all see?
I did because I was helping my friend
I didn't
walk
see
her
it.
dog,
I was walking my dog when
and
I
I
came up.
saw
They
a
were
clear
screaming.
bag with a white rock pop out of a bucket.
Yeah, I was walking my dog and I come around the corner and they were screaming because she's like, you need
Number
not to be
401.
doing drugs here.
Yep.
So saw the white rock.
Yes.
It was a clear plastic baggie. You said.
Yes.
How big was the rock?
I will say roughly
Pretty
around that.
small, but big enough that you could see,
Yeah,
what it was.
roughly around that size.
Okay, and it was a white rock.
Yes, that's what I saw.
Did it look kind of crystalline, kind of?
Kind of.
Not
yes.
powder.
It didn't look like powder to me, no. But she ran and picked it up real quick.
Well, yeah, I saw her bend down and pick something up quick. I didn't get.
Oh, it fell out of her pocket.
Yep.
Mhm. Yeah, I didn't see any of that. I just heard the arguing when I came up.
Okay, who was
And
she
they told
arguing
me
with?
about the drugs. With the girl that just
With
went
Oh.
friend Kelly.
Okay,
because she told her that we don't want drugs around here.
yeah, right.
She started screaming her.
There's
and stuff.
plenty of that.
And then she asked me, she's like, well, who is that girl? I said, somebody who lives here. And she didn't like that comment either.
Yeah. When she picked it up off the ground, did she put it back in her pocket?
Yes.
Yeah, she didn't have anything in her pocket when I talked to her, so she probably set it inside or something. But what do you do? So, did you see anything worth noting at all, or?
It's her pickup bag.
Yeah,
That's about it.
gotcha.
Aside from them two going back and forth when she came back out, trying to sit there and be like, "You got something to say to me?" You got
Yeah,
something
she
to say to
wanted
me?"
to try to fight, dude.
You mentioned that you were aware that they'd been staying here for 1 to
Yeah.
2 months.
Yeah, at least.
Since you're kind of a witness, do you mind if I just jot your name down?
Go for it.
Sweet. Perfect.
I promise you, I wouldn't lie to you guys. I don't
Okay.
have a problem. I don't have a history of lying to you guys either.
Okay.
Hey, Brandy, did we get anything back on Randall? He's on paper.
Can I take this off?
Not yet.
I haven't done anything. I'm not. What the?
Yeah, he's in the other, he's in the apartment as well. What's he on paper for? He's on for first-degree murder and burglary?
34 and a half years ago.
Yeah.
34
All right.
and a half years ago. Yep. He doesn't do drugs.
Sounds good. It was in 1987. I've met him before, and I know that that's true. It's been a long time. He's been out for like 10 years now. All right. Well, thank you. All right. Bye. He used to live over. He has like a garage sometimes that's right off of like right by the shack area. That's where I first met him. Does he still have cancer?
Okay. So nothing
No
that we
Act
can.
79 for that one.
Right. All right.
I'm sorry that this situation even happened, you guys. But
I'm sorry too.
I'm just irritated about
Yeah.
what she rattles off. Like I said, Randall, come inside. We'll just talk when we get in here. She's probably, me and Randall were just talking about this. I go, she probably just assumed that. And he's like, and I go, I could see that.
There was no exchange of a little baggie or anything?
I swear to God on my kids, no. And my mother, I swear to God, no. I don't even do that.
When was the last time you did that? When was the last time
I
you
don't
used?
sell.
When was the last time you? 7 days ago?
Yeah, then I relapsed, but I am in
And what did you
treatment after
use then?
I'm in treatment.
What did you use at that time?
I used at that time,
Okay.
but I haven't used since then.
Okay.
And I was in,
Have you met Wes?
I don't think so.
that's my older brother, but we don't get along.
So they both. I know you guys don't get along. I've dealt with Wes a lot. I've only dealt with you a couple of times, but that was years ago. And I know both you guys have kind of struggled a little bit with substance abuse, and that's kind of the drug of choice.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm signing up for mine. Drug of choice is not meth. It's usually marijuana.
Is there anything illegal in this apartment right now?
No.
Okay. Well, like my
I said, I came
partner
here to
explained,
clean. You know what I mean? That's what I came here to do. I do not live here. I came here to clean. It's not my apartment. So
I understand. However, you were inside of this, and you were temporarily inside of this. Your presence under the Act
it doesn't
79
matter.
search.
No, it doesn't. Not unless I.
Do you understand what Act 79 is?
I do not even.
Okay,
never
so
heard
then
of
it does not. So then, why are you trying to tell us
don't-
what it is?
Because I don't live here. I was just leaving.
Yeah, that's fine. He's explaining to you that it does not
So
matter
if I
if
grab
you
my,
live here or not.
well, I'll grab my purse. You can go through my.
No, we're going to go through the entire apartment.
Is it? Are you kidding me?
Okay.
You guys have a search?
No, you don't. And I don't want a search warrant. Yes, I want a search
No,
warrant.
we're doing it under Act 79.
All
You
right.
can
Well, I
look it
want to
up.
see what Act 79 is. Then I want to see what it has said.
That's fine.
I want to see. Randall, don't open the door.
No, that's fine. We
Randall?
can just go to the jail for resist obstruct.
Oh, come
So
on.
we'll just
Give me
stay
a
in the
break.
corner and we can.
Give me a break. Stop it. I didn't
Randall, open the door now.
do nothing, Randall.
What? Jenny. No, we're not done with the door. No,
Randall,
no.
open the door.
Get on my foot.
I need my shoes.
No,
That doesn't
Jenny,
matter.
stop.
You guys didn't do nothing.
You're gonna seriously, if you don't start cooperating,
You didn't do anything. I swear to God.
I'll
No,
take her to the jail.
I swear I didn't do anything.
No, you're under arrest for
I didn't
resist
do
obstruct.
anything.
Well, you're under arrest, so.
But I didn't do anything.
Yes, you did.
That's the people that lie.
You were under arrest for resist obstruct.
Kelsey, if you want me to transport, I can.
I got it.
I'm comfortable that resist.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Get in.
Big break.
She just thinks she didn't resist obstruct because she's already in handcuffs.
You're already in handcuffs.
What's that?
She doesn't think that she resists obstruct because she was already in handcuffs.
All right. I don't think there's a whole lot else to do here.
No, just.
You're good to transport?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Kelsey.
No worries.
When confronted, Jenny denies everything, but officers aren't backing down. They tell her they're going to search both her and the apartment. That's when things take a turn. Jenny refuses. She argues it's not her apartment. She protests. She gets louder, more defensive. Then she blocks the doorway. Big mistake. At that moment, this goes from a disagreement to obstruction. Officers move in, detain her, and place her in handcuffs after she resists. A quick search finds nothing on her, but the suspicion doesn't go away. Now Jenny is under arrest. What started as a neighbor's complaint just turned into criminal charges. Here's the reality. A lot of people think they're standing up for their rights, when they're actually making things worse. If Jenny had stepped aside and challenged it later in court, this could have played out very differently. Instead, she escalated and paid the price. Final breakdown. Officer Dupe did his job, stayed calm, but could have explained things better. Jenny, emotional, confused, but crossed the line when she physically blocked officers. Neighbor, provided detailed info but may not have been entirely neutral. This situation could have been avoided, but ego and misunderstanding turned it into an arrest. What do you think? Justified or overreach? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Karen Patrol for more real-life confrontations, police encounters, and moments where things spiral out of control fast.